Hi, I'm James from Finding Country and you've joined me here today on Golf Lane, very desirable location where we're just a stone's throw from Leamington County golf course and beautiful surrounding countryside, and we've got this lovely detached executive home. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the rear garden of this fantastic home, and again the garden is a generous size. You've got an outside storage facility and you've got this triple garage with vehicular access from the front. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.